After 2 days of hiking with me, Rick needs to go back to Germantown to attend to a birthday and then do his duty on Sunday at our church. So he dropped me off in Daleville, which is the 730.3 mile marker on the 80. It will take him around 4 hours to get home, while it will take me around 5 hours to get to the first shelter, which is the Fulhardt shelter. It's a 5 mile hike and a progressive climb up, but the trail is well kept. And here's one of those reasons why I enjoy this, I consider difficult trail, because of these beautiful creatures. Hello, I will follow you. Rabbit here, and another one there. Right there. This one is part of the trail magic. The trail angels live on the trail, so we hikers can easily resupply along the trail. Here's another reason why I like this trail, because of the flowers that I pass by. So beautiful. Here's another one here. Oh, let me have a selfie here. Look, right? Pretty. Here the sweet chirps of birds are so sweet to my ears. At this point, I'm still very far up there, 3 miles up the mountain. After 5 hours, I'm here. It's going south. It's 12 noon. This is 5.3 miles from town where I started. There is the shelter and the privy there, and my hammock. Now it's dinner time with my favorite trail food, sweet potatoes and pistachios. For my night, there is no forecast of rain, so my shelter will be all right. No worry about getting wet. Although, of course, I still wish some hikers will come so that I have company tonight. Food bag there, yeah. There. It's covered by leaves, but it's there. See?